NBC 10 News at 4.
In the meantime, there are new details today on the Philadelphia duck boat tragedy. The families of 2 Hungarian tourists killed have now hired lawyers here in the United States. NBC 10's Harry Hairston is live at Penn's Landing with the very latest. Harry.
That's right. Families of those Hungarian victims, they now say that they have some American legal muscle on their side. They hired attorneys from New York and Philadelphia. Those attorneys say they are ready to pounce on the 2 companies they believe are responsible for those deaths.
We would be suing KC Transportation. They were piloting the tug and barge that ran over the duck boat. We'd be suing the duck boat company. They should not have had it break down.
Local attorneys representing the families of the 2 Hungarian students killed in the July 7th duck boat incident would not say when they will file those suits, but they are calling on the public's help as they conduct an investigation into what caused that deadly crash.
If there is anybody out there who had knowledge of the event, was on the boat, please call us because these families want to know what happened.
Investigators say just over a week ago, the duck boat lost power and drifted into the channel of the Delaware River. Moments later, an oncoming barge slammed into the tiny vessel, sending 37 people into the murky waters. Rescuers pulled 35 people to safety, but it would be 2 days later before the bodies of a 16-year-old girl and a 20-year-old man would be found. The lawyers say so far, the 2 parties involved in the collision are not talking to them, and neither is the NTSB. Also tonight, the attorneys representing the victims' families say they are troubled by one of the tugboat's operators taking the 5th Amendment and refusing to talk to investigators.
He may eventually, here in this matter, talk to the National Transportation Safety Board.
The attorney representing the tugboat operator says his client is devastated by what happened, but the fear of potential federal charges is why he is not allowing his client to make any statements.
If he goes down and gives a statement, I don't know if a prosecutor can look at that and make a determination and say, well, just based on that, we're going to bring charges.
Meantime, tonight, the lawyers representing the victims say they are heading to their clients' homes in Hungary for next week's funerals.
We'll go meet with the families, obviously first, and talk to them about this and mourn with them.
Now, Ride-A-Duck, the company that owns that duck boat, they've declined to comment. However, KC, that's the company that was operating the tugboat, they said it would be inappropriate to comment on any pending litigation, but they went on to say they are cooperating with the investigation and doing everything they can to help with it. The NTSB says their investigation is continuing. They do not expect to have any new information to release for at least a couple of weeks. Reporting live at Penn's Landing, Harry Hairston, NBC 10 News.